Most people think if they invest 10,000 rupees every month, they will reach 1 crore one day. But here is the real catch. A regular SIP may not be enough. In this video, I am going to show you the calculation behind it. Hello all, welcome to Money Talks. I am Abhishek Hota. We break down money with logic, not by hype. Let's assume a person investing 10,000 rupee every month for 20 years at a rate of interest 12. So after 20 years, it grows to 1 crore. Sounds good, fair enough, but here is the big mistake. Within this 20-year time period, your money grows, your expenses grows, but your SIP remain fixed. So SIP is not a problem, but static SIP is a mistake. So instead of keeping SIP fixed, let it raise by 10% every year. Let me show you the calculation in my step-up SIP calculator. Here for first year, a person invested 10,000, but second year, he has increased by 10%, which is 11,000. And in third year, another 10%, which is 12,000 rupee. So if we go on like this way for 20 years and at a 12% annual ROI, so after 20 years, it would become 6 crore. And you can achieve 1 crore within 12 or 13 years of your investor, which is 7 years lesser than the regular SIP. So by using this step-up SIP, you can reach your goal faster with less financial pressure. And also, don't forget about the inflation. The value of 1 crore now won't be same after 20 years. So your SIP must grow with you. So SIP is very much powerful only if it's grow with you. So don't invest lazily, invest strategically. I have created a simple step-up SIP calculator. You can download from link in description. And if you are planning to start investing, you can use my Grow link. Personally, I am recommending Grow for beginner. So you can use it. Finally, if you are serious about building wealth with discipline and structured way, do subscribe. Thank you for watching video. This is Money Talks. Let's talk money.